Hey guys, Matt Blue Collar Slots. Sitting down here playing some Medusa. Set down at this one because the major is higher than anything else, so is the mega. Take a look at those progressives up there. Got this new fancy tripod, so I'm still trying to figure it out. We're going to start out with some $3 bets. We got 100 in and see if we can get anything. Volume up and go. We're playing the more power up in the lightning respin. The max bet on this is $6. A little too rich for my blood at this time. So we'll start out at $3 here and see what happens. Need 3 of those snaky snakes for the bonus. Or we need Medusa on the first reel, a full reel of her. A whole lot of dead spins. We need some winning. I ordered winning, we got 15 pennies, you know. Now we're going to change it up and hit the $2 here and see if that does anything for us. The 3 snakes are there on the bottom reel. Please stand up. That was nothing. That was nothing. Here, Mr. Bonus. Sure, there's a lot of dead spins in this game. We need some winning, please. Or not. All right, let's go to more better lightning, and we'll do some 225s. Well, the first spin on that one was our best yet. $7. We'll keep playing 225 and see if we can get a bonus on this. Yeah, it might have been a one-hit wonder. I hear somebody around the corner got the bonus. We need the bonus. I tried this game once before. I did all right on it, but just don't seem to be doing it right now. Hey, a few wins. Come on, bonus. Come on, win. More than 15 pennies. Bonus. Yeah, he didn't come by and play with it, did he? Now the last 4 or 5 spins here, we need to get something. We need the Medusa, the full screen on it, or the first reel full. Come on. Last 2 or 3 spins here. Got some flying horsies. Hey, that'll work. A little more cushion for the slot pushing. Come on, bonus. Keeps us spinning. Last 2 spins coming up. We need something. 100 in and nothing out, it looks like. Last spin. Can't win them all, but we have fun trying. Thanks for watching. Hey, Matt here with Blue Collar Slots. We are going to continue on. We have 142.70 left after playing the 5x5x5x5x5 betting system here. And we're going to do some $3 bets here and let the Teresa spin them. See how we hit the bonus on the You'll cut more at 2 cents, and then we're going to go up the dimes and spin it out on dimes. All right, after this spin here, we're going to move it up here to the dimes, and we're just going to do 250 bets, and we'll do a couple spins here. A little something. Alright, so let's go, and we're going to go to the dollar denom, and we got enough for about 4 spins here on the $5 bet. Oh, so close. Oh, last spin here, unless we win enough to go with another bet here. Alright, we're going to go down here to the pennies, and you know, the 50 cents that always seems to win. And we're going to spin this out down to 100. See if we can get anything here. Bonus. Oh, so close. Hey, that gives us enough. A couple more spins here. Bonus. Oh, we got it. 50-cent bonus. 1 cent denom. Alright, let's see if we can take a look at those progressives up there. This is the 1 cent denom, 10 cents for the mini, 50 for the minor, and 901.14 for that major. We'll take it on a 50-cent bonus. This is the first time recording with this tripod I got for Christmas, so still trying to figure this thing out. Come on, no more dead spins, only wins. Come up with something good, or we're gonna have a bonus bummer on our hands. Hey, beat the balls, otherwise will work. Better than nothing. Hey, 305. We're gonna keep going until we get down to $100. We'll just keep spending at 50 cents and see what happens. No, come on. We need a makeup bonus on 50 cents, right? 2 more. Oh. All right. Got 1 more spin to go. Let's win something here. Hey, we started with 100. We're going to walk away with 19-cent profit. Thanks for watching. Matt here, blue collar flops, playing some Locket Link, more hearts. Chasing that major there. And we're not going to get that major because we didn't land at the first go. We'll keep going. Hey, that'll work. For 1 at a time, but... Don't be mean, fill the screen. Playing that 1 cent denom, $1.50 bet. Oh, come on, last spin. Don't be mean, fill the screen. There we go. Everything that lands will connect. Come on. 2 more spins, 3 spots. Uh-oh, last spin. Okay. $1.50. We'll take that bonus. Okay, $67.50. Here's the win. Matt here, blue collar slots, playing some Locket Link Grand. got the bonus here on 2-cent denom. Dollar bet. The progressives up there. We'd like to see if it'll land that major here in the bonus. This is a 2-cent denom. Oh, come on. Where's that major at? Major? 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 Oh, almost got 5 of them. This is the 2-cent denom, so see if we can fill this up. There we go. So those of you who have not seen this game before, every time you get a heart and it attaches here, it'll increase all your things by your bet. The goal here is to fill a screen. One at a time, but hey, we'll take it. We'll take a full screen, that'll double it up. There we go. And we got 4 spins because we started with 4 hearts. There we go. All right, we got 4 spins in 2 spots. Don't be mean, fill the screen. 2 for 1, nothing. Uh-oh, last 2, I'm gonna let the Teresa push the button here so she can get those last 2 for me. All right, last spin. Need 1 to keep going. Hey, it's not a full screen, but we'll definitely take that. I don't think I can get that all in without sitting back across the casino. 116. Definitely take that. And we still got more spins to go in the bonus. Like I said, we're trying to get that major there at 25.7501. She's pretty big. We got, so you spin 4, 6, do it again. Back to back. Oh, it's right at the top there. Last spin, big win. Hey, we'll definitely take that. $130 on that bonus. We'll come back and we'll get another one. Hey, Matt of Blue Collars, 10-cent denom, 250 bet. Let's get it started. Oh, that'll work. All right, let's see what we can get here. Home spin. That'll work. I'm going to try and make this a short video, but I think I'm going to turn this around and make it a long video. Come on, land the cups, land them. Come on, trophy. Come on, one more spin, get it. Hold that up. Spin 3 of 10. We got 7 more spins to go. 27.50. Richard, so close. What a something there. Hey, definitely take that. Not bad for a 25-cent bonus. Home spin again. Last spin, big win. Oh, so close. Hey, $100 on a 250 bet. We'll definitely take it. Thanks for watching.